Are you ready to uncover the hidden method to rake in $250 per hour with Google Drive? Imagine the possibilities of making money online without spending a penny. Today, we're about to unveil the secrets behind this lucrative opportunity. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Let's dive into the world of earning with Google Drive. First things first, let's get started by opening up Google Drive. Simply head over to drive.google.com and create an account if you haven't already. Google Drive is your gateway to uploading, sharing, and viewing files effortlessly. Plus, guess what? You'll snag a cool 2 gigabytes of storage for free, and rumor has it, it might even bump up to 15 gigabytes. That's plenty of space to kickstart your journey into the world of online earning. Now, here's where the magic begins. Ever heard of Etsy? It's not just a marketplace for handmade goodies anymore. It's also a bustling hub for digital products and courses. Skip the hassle of creating your own content because we've got you covered. No need to lift a finger. Picture this. There's a lone Etsy seller raking in a whopping $2 million annually, with a monthly average of $41,000. That's a staggering $5,000 daily, and over $250 an hour. And the best part, you can do it too from anywhere in the world. Let's delve into the riches awaiting discovery within this digital goldmine. Have you ever ventured into the realm of Canva? It's not merely a platform for crafting visually captivating graphics, it's a gateway to a veritable treasure trove of digital products ripe for resale. But here's where it gets exciting. These assets come adorned with private label rights (PLR), granting you the freedom to repackage and market them as your very own creations. Picture this. An abundance of resources spanning ChatGPT modules, digital marketing guides, personal development tools, and beyond, all at your fingertips. From cutting-edge vector icons to polished resume templates, the possibilities are as vast as the digital landscape itself. And the best part, they're primed and ready to be unleashed onto the thriving marketplace of Etsy. But what does this mean for you? It means you hold the keys to unlocking a world of entrepreneurial opportunity. With a simple click, you can transform these digital assets into streams of passive income, setting the stage for your own success story. So whether you're a seasoned seller or a budding entrepreneur, the time to capitalize on this digital goldmine is now. But hold on to your hats because the excitement doesn't stop there. Picture this: a virtual vault brimming with over 1 million ready-to-sell designs, all within arm's reach. It may sound too good to be true, but believe it or not, this is the reality of the done-for-you print-on-demand mega pack. With just a simple click, you'll unlock a Google Drive folder overflowing with an endless array of design options, each one poised to catapult your entrepreneurial journey to new heights. This isn't just a game changer, it's a paradigm shift. Gone are the days of painstakingly creating content from scratch. Now, you have the power to access a wealth of professionally crafted designs at your fingertips. Imagine the freedom to explore your entrepreneurial spirit without the constraints of time-consuming content creation. With this mega pack by your side, the sky's the limit. But what does this mean for you? It means you hold the key to unlocking boundless potential. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand your offerings, or a newcomer eager to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce, this mega pack is your ticket to success. Once you've got your hands on these digital gems, there's no stopping you. Take, for instance, this niche guide available for download in PDF format. With just a click, it's yours to wield. Head back to your account, and it's as simple as drag and drop or a quick file upload. In no time, you'll have your own digital product ready to hit the market. And speaking of markets, let's explore 4 different platforms where you can amplify your earning potential. First on our list is Etsy, a digital commerce juggernaut that boasts a seller pulling in an impressive $41,000 monthly. This staggering figure is a testament to the platform's immense potential for success. While there are no guarantees in the world of online entrepreneurship, if it's working wonders for them, there's no reason why it can't do the same for us. Setting up your shop on Etsy is a breeze, offering you the opportunity to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. But wait, there's a slight hiccup to consider: payout options. While PayPal serves as the default choice, it's essential to note that withdrawal methods may vary depending on your country. However, this minor hurdle pales in comparison to the potential earnings of up to $1,000 a day that Etsy presents. With the promise of such lucrative returns, it's time to buckle up and dive headfirst into this realm of opportunity. Expanding our horizons beyond Etsy, let's journey into the realm of Gumroad.com, an oasis for digital creators seeking to monetize their talents. The process kicks off effortlessly with a simple sign-up, granting you access to a world of opportunity. Once inside, navigating to the dashboard and clicking on products sets the stage for your entrepreneurial endeavors. Picture this. With a few clicks, you're ready to unleash your creations onto the digital marketplace. Hit new product and watch as your vision takes shape. Whether it's those sought-after Canva courses or niche guides brimming with wisdom, every creation finds its place in the spotlight. But the magic doesn't stop there. It's time to set the scene for success. Copy and paste those intricate details. Set your pricing strategy. Let's start with a modest $5 and tailor your product page to perfection. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the PDF file. It's not just a document, it's your golden ticket to passive income. With Gumroad, delivery is swift and seamless, no headaches or hassles. However, it's essential to manage expectations. While Gumroad offers simplicity and convenience, its traffic might not rival that of Etsy. Patience is key as you navigate the path to profitability. Enter Teachable, a beacon of hope for digital entrepreneurs looking to turn their expertise into cold, hard cash. With success stories abound, including sellers pocketing a jaw-dropping $36,000 monthly, Teachable beckons as a formidable platform for unleashing your creations upon the world. To embark on your Teachable journey, simply navigate to teachable.com and dive into the process of listing your products. Whether you're offering digital downloads or comprehensive courses, Teachable provides the perfect platform to showcase your talents. But here's where the magic truly happens. Listing your digital downloads from your Google Drive folder is a breeze. With just a few clicks, you'll find yourself creating a digital download, naming your product, and seamlessly transferring details from your Gumroad listing. It's a streamlined process from start to finish, ensuring your product lands on Teachable's virtual shelves in no time. From selecting the appropriate category to setting a competitive price, let's go with $9 for that Canva course. Every step is met with ease. And just like that, your product is primed and ready to attract eager learners from around the globe. As you delve deeper into the wealth of digital assets tucked away in your Google Drive folder, you'll uncover a treasure trove of print-on-demand designs, an arsenal of creativity just waiting to be unleashed. Picture this. Vibrant designs ready to adorn everything from cozy t-shirts to delightful mugs and even cuddly pillows. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. But now that you've unearthed these gems, the question arises, where to next? Fear not, for the realm of print-on-demand platforms stands ready to welcome you with open arms. Platforms like Tspring.com, Zazzle.com, and Redbubble.com beckon, offering you a canvas to showcase your artistic flair. Signing up is a breeze, and with just a few clicks, you'll find yourself immersed in a sea of opportunity. Imagine crafting your very own virtual storefront, a vibrant showcase adorned with an array of apparel and accessories, each bearing the mark of your unique designs. From trendy t-shirts that make a statement to chic mugs that brighten up mornings, your creations have the power to captivate audiences far and wide. But here's where the magic truly lies. By selling across multiple platforms, you can expand your reach and maximize your earning potential with every sale. With each design you upload and every product you add to your inventory, you're one step closer to turning your passion into profit. So, seize the opportunity to transform your designs into tangible products and embark on a journey towards building your own print-on-demand empire. With a bit of creativity and determination, you'll soon find yourself at the helm of a thriving online business. Wow, what an eye-opening journey we've had today. From uncovering the wealth of digital assets on platforms like Canva to diving into the exciting world of print-on-demand with the Done-For-You Print-on-Demand Mega Pack, we've explored endless possibilities for online entrepreneurship. But now, it's your turn to take action. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Do you have what it takes to unleash your creativity and carve out your slice of the digital marketplace? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. And remember, if you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join us. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.